Welcome,
Welcome.
Mr. On-screen boyfriend. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Okay. अगल बगल ने हमको काफ़ी कुछ दिया है तुम्हें मुझे, बट आई वांट टू नो तुमसे कि अगल बगल ने तुम्हें क्या दिया.
So most important thing is like अगल बगल से मुझे बहुत बड़ा एक्सपीरियंस मिला है एंड ऑफ कोर्स लाइक इन सोसाइटल लेवल पे भी बहुत एक्सपोजर मिला है एंड लाइक नाउ वेरेवर आई गो इवन मैं ट्रेन की टिकट निकालने के लिए लाइन पे खड़ा भी रहता हूँ तो भी अचानक से कोई बीच में से आता है आप अगल बगल से हो ना, तो लाइक इट्स अ वेरी गुड फीलिंग व्हेन लाइक पीपल टॉक अबाउट इट वेदर इट इज एन इवेंट, इट इज अ पब्लिक स्पेस और पब्लिक कम्यूट, डजंट मैटर, पीपल जस्ट नो मी एज नाउ अगल बगल एंड people appreciate it and people also talk good things about it. So yeah, Agal Bagal is something has changed my life in some way.
People knew me because of my other films. For example, this one, oh, you're the guy when the circus came to town. Now they know me. Oh, you're Agal Bagal guy. And some of them, they don't even know my name, but they didn't know me as Agal Bagal guy. So it is a great feeling that this project has given a lot to us. Respect, fame, everything is there, but even finance. But it makes you feel comfortable, it makes you feel worthy that there are people who love you a lot and that can push you to make some new projects.
This is what the Agal Bagal is a very great platform to know about because it is very peppy, it's very funny, it also has an issue, it also has an emotion, it also has romance, it also has like lot of things in it. You have to see it.
And Rohan and I don't act. We just react to each other. We don't decide, we don't sit and do workshop. Rohan, okay, we're going to do this, then I'll react this way. He just reacts. Sometimes Rohan has a habit of changing dialogues. Of course for the good. He adds up at the last moment and I'm never prepared. I never know that on what day, on what scene it's going to change this in dialogue. And then it's up to me. I always have to be alert that, oh, he's going to change it and I have to react according to it. So if there are 2 dialogues, he will add 4 or 5 and I have to keep reacting and then I have to scold him. But of course, I don't do that because he always adds positivity to it. He adds more content, but yeah, it comes as a shocker to me and I always have to be alert. But yeah, Rohan and I are a good couple on screen because we have a great chemistry offline and that reflects like anything on screen. That's why I think majority of people love us. Welcome, Jerry.
Hi.
So how was the experience joining us second time?
Well, it was amazing to be honest. I didn't feel like I was a cinematographer to start off with. It just felt like I was forcing the whole shoot because the atmosphere was very relaxed, yet at the same time it was professional and even the actors, they were all very easy to work with. Those even with the cameo roles, everybody mostly always went with one take, so it was super awesome.
Hi Sandesh, welcome. तो तुम सीजन 1 में थे अगल बगल के एक एपिसोड में, बट वो एक एपिसोड ने काफ़ी कुछ चेंजेस लाए लाइफ में. कैसे चेंजेस हुए अगल बगल के बाद?
बहुत ज़्यादा लाइफ में चेंजेस हुआ कि अगर मैं कभी कहीं पर भी जाता था तो लोग मुझे देखते थे, ऐसे देखते थे कि कहीं तो इसे देखा है, कहीं तो इसे देखा है. फिर बोलते हाँ कहीं तो तुमने देखा है करके. मैं बोला शायद पार्टी में या कहीं देखा रहेगा. फिर बोलते नहीं वेब सीरीज़ में देखा है. मैं बोला ओ इतना फेमस हो गया मैं. फिर वो एक मालूम पड़ा लोगों से कि जो मुझे प्रोजेक्ट मिला था वो कोई छोटा या नॉर्मल प्रोजेक्ट नहीं था, वो काफ़ी बड़ा था जिससे कि हर जगह ट्विटर, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब हर जगह जो फैला था. तो फिर वही बहुत अच्छा लगा और जो मेन ये रहेगा कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पब्लिसिटी हो गया, बहुत फेमस
और कुछ ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट भी हो गया तुम उसके.
हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा.
एंड सीजन 1 इज समथिंग लाइक जस्ट घर में बैठे थे और लाइक कहानी बना दी और पता भी नहीं चला था कि ये सीजन 1 इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा. And like every year it is getting bigger and bigger.
It's the excitement and it's not like एक महीने में बैठ के खत्म कर दिया. There's a lot of one whole year we put it into this. Me and Pranit, who is co-writer for this, we write lots of. आप 10 episodes देखते हो, but हम 20 से 30 episodes लिखते हैं. And then difficult job is कि टॉप 10 चूज करना है इसमें से जिसमें से हम ह्यूमर, एंटरटेनमेंट, उसके साथ साथ कुछ ऐसे मुद्दे लाए LGBT कम्युनिटी को लेके जो लोग देखते हैं रियल लाइफ में, राइट. एंड दे वांट समबडी टू कमेंट अबाउट इट ताकि वो रियलाइज हुए, वो रजिस्टर हुए माइंड में, और हम वही मुद्दों के ऊपर कॉमेडी करते हैं. इन रियल लाइफ यू हैपन टू बी सिस्टर ऑफ नक्षत्र बट यू प्ले सिस्टर ऑफ रोहन इन दिस सीरीज. सो हाउ वाज इट टू वर्क विद रोहन?
I feel like honestly I'm going to disown Nakshatra from now on and Rohan is my brother now.
Okay. So you are working with your brother for the very first time like this, and since I'm talking to you, we have done stupid things throughout our life, but we have never done something like this professionally. So how was the experience like when your brother was guiding you or to tell you how to do the scene and all that?
Honestly, I've seen him do this for the first time because I've only seen him on the other side of the tablet or phone or something. So this is like a very different experience because we are not usually this composed or this organized. I would say we are like crazy people whenever we meet. So this was different because it had to be a little bit professional with him, and I'm really astonished about that fact. He is so professional, he is so amazing. I did not know this side of him, but he has a lot of patience when it comes to this, because otherwise whenever he's hungry, trust me, it's like you can't handle him, that kind of a person he is. But here I saw a different side of him, so it was like good to see the side of him. So,
Alright, so one
This was very good because credit goes to obviously Nakshatra because he made me comfortable to do जो भी मेरा कैरेक्टर था इवन वो पूरा कैरेक्टर समझने के लिए एंड अबाउट अगल बगल के बारे में समझने के लिए मैंने अगल बगल सीजन 1 भी पूरा फॉलो किया है. सो इट वाज इजी टू मी टू नो अबाउट दैट होल सिनेरियो. सो experience was really good.
Hey, hi, this is Chirag Gosar. Yes, I worked in Agal Bagal 2's 6th episode. Well, it was really a great experience working with Nakshatra and Rohan Pujari. Initially when Nakshatra offered me this, I was like a little bit scared and worried that I don't know how this will go. And then I never met Nakshatra in person before. So yes, I had done a little bit of acting before, but then I was too worried about a lot of things. But you know, believe me, when I went there and when I reached at the place, the shoot place, these guys were really gentle and cordial. I like the way Nakshatra carries out his work and the way he treated me. You know, I really mean to it. I mean.
My sister is actually rooting for you and him. That is your character and Rohan's character, and you know she's in love with you especially and all the quirkiness that you have to offer. She keeps saying that you know, I want to replace you instead with him. I want him as my brother. She's like, we would have hit it off so well and you're so sad and you know you don't do any of this, and it was really nice.
अगल बगल 2 में भी तुम वापस आए, स्टोरी कंटिन्यू हुई, तो कैसा लगा वापस आके?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा कि मुझे वापस इसी प्रोजेक्ट में काम करने का मौका मिला. और बताना चाहूँगी ये मेरा सबसे पहला प्रोजेक्ट है और जिसमें आने के बाद स्पेशली सीजन 1 में जो हुआ था, इतना बड़ा धमाका जो लोग देख के शॉक हो गए थे, बहुत अमेजिंग था क्योंकि लोगों ने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं ऐसे स्क्रीन के सामने आके ऐसे काम करूँगा करके. तो वो लोगों के लिए काफ़ी शॉकिंग था, बट बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. थैंक यू नक्श, रोहन एंड द ऑल टीम ऑफ अगल बगल, बहुत अच्छा लगा काम करके.
I and Pranit write, it is full of with hilarious dialogues. How difficult it is to convert it into like decent English as a subtitlist?
I actually had a ball of time because there were these certain dialogues that I couldn't stop laughing at while I was trying to translate, and then yet there was these other set of dialogues that I was kind of worried may lose its spunk, in translation, like from Hindi to English. So I had to take care that the subtitles that I was giving was not at the same time losing its spunk, and it was kind of retaining the same hilarious factor and the hilarious angle to it.
How does it feel to work with Nakshatra? People think it's all romantic and funny, but tell them.
No, it is not funny. There are a lot of fights, how this guy abused, but it is fun. It is something like working with Agal Bagal is something like when we go, because I have been in various set where there are a lot of shootings happening, but you also feel like a lot of pressure on doing something. But Agal Bagal is something like which happened very smoothly with no pressure, always happened in weekend, and he's a person is something like he makes you feel the scene what it is. It's not a technical thing. He just tell me कि रोहन तुझे ये करना है, तुझे ऐसे expression देना है, and I'm doing that. And like it's very simple and yeah, it's a good experience.
And good experience, and you trouble me a lot.
Who?
You.
Retake?
At the same time, I make sure they don't take me for granted and stop cracking jokes or take breaks often. So it's a job full of headaches. You see, you have to manage off screen, you manage on screen, and there's a lot of pressure that you want to finish everything on time. And look at me, yeah. And I want to say one thing right now. Me and Rohan or any other cast in the whole Agal Bagal, we have not even done 1% makeup. हमारे सारे episodes में, in all our episodes, we are the way we are naturally.
So that's another risk you all have undertaken.
I don't think, not risk, because I want to give a message that you don't need to look beautiful. I might consider myself an average looking guy, boy next door, or I was in Agal Bagal, boy next door. But people relate इसलिए होते हैं कि मेरा कैरेक्टर स्पेशली, रोहन का तो चलो भाई एक हॉट ऐसे फैंटेसी वाला बंदा है जिसके लिए काफी मेजॉरिटी गे मेन को शायद फैंटेसी होगी, एंड आई रिप्रेजेंट देम, यू नो, आई रिप्रेजेंट देम, एंड I don't want to look good on camera. I want to look just the way I am, a normal guy. And you risk yourself as an actor. Yeah, when you put yourself like that on a big scale project like this, I'm saying big scale because of viewership point of view. People look at you, oh, he looks like this. He can look much better without makeup, but why is he not doing makeup? And you can lose some other roles because of you look like that. But I want to give everything to Agal Bagal because this is the only project that I direct, and only thing I'll direct after this. I enjoy acting otherwise. So yeah, there's a lot of things going on.
Yeah, but my character in Agal Bagal and myself are the real ones.
Oh.
I don't have to shuffle my personality from like to feel that personality. He is the person. You should feel that. You should
That's why I signed you for
it.
this.
It is something like it is not like that. It is just me.
Yes, that's so you. But let me talk something about Agabai because we're not able to take interview of Agabai. Huge credit goes to Agabai's character because it's very difficult to put up a strong character without being on screen, just with your voice and just with your delivery and your beat. And that's what Agabai has done. The character that we have written. And people ask me if it's me that I like, if it's Nakshatra that who does Agabai. Well, no, it's not me, it's a different person completely. Season 1 we got a lot of messages, people saying we want to see Agabai, and I said okay, let's give them, let's put them on hold, and you know, उनको तड़पाते हैं थोड़ा बहुत.
Even I was asked by a few people.
तो हमने सोचा कि चलो सीजन 2 में भी यही करते हैं, but थोड़ा Agabai को और importance मिला है सीजन 2 में, and the character has developed so much with lots of humor in it. So the same person behind Agabai gets to be on the screen, and you will love the person who will face the camera.
Yeah.
Making your debut in entertainment industry, that you started getting more offers.
Yeah, so I have also started getting offers. People are asking me. I started getting calls. I started getting emails. You know,
And you accepted some, yeah?
yeah, I've like started working. Few of them I've accepted it, but still working on.
All right, watch out this guy that I brought in the community in the limelight. I'm so happy to see him grow. I'm proud of you. Oh.
जब मैं अगल बगल सीजन 1 देख रहा था, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था that I'll become a part of season 2, and I got that opportunity. Like, thank you so much, Nakshatra.
You're welcome.
The work they do, the kind of dedication is really awesome, and it was really great. I hope to see such more work with them, you know, in future. You know, thank you so much for an opportunity. I'm really grateful for it. Thank you.
And those people who don't like us, they shouldn't watch Agal Bagal or at all, because it's none of my business what they feel. It's their right to criticize, if it's their right to dislike, but it's not going to affect me or him or Agal Bagal at all. We are still going to rock it.
I'm proud of him.
Thank you
I don't
so
say
much.
that often to him. So
I'm going to play this and repeat more.
Yeah, you should have.
I'm really happy actually to be a part of this journey, Agal Bagal, and I hope to stay as a part.
Oh, you always will be.
This
And I just
project.
want to say one thing. Huge thank you to our producers, and who made it possible to do it financially. And I want to say huge thank you to all the viewers, because they made it possible for us. And the last but not the least, of course the team, but a special person who stood by me, that's my father. Whenever we had a shoot, he left the home, he went out, he hanged out at other places, he went to Mumbai so we get the privacy to shoot it. He allowed us to have his bedroom for the bold scenes, and he watches Agal Bagal, so it feels good when everything is working for you and people are standing behind you. Thank you so much, lots of love. Namaste.
Thanks.
So we have iconic dialogue of our series, that is Agal Bagal, and we ask everybody to say it in their own turn. Oh yes, we do. So I'll count 3 and you just gonna say it in your style, alright? 1, 2 and 3.
Agal Bagal.
Agal Bagal.
Agal Bagal.
Agal Bagal.
Agal Bagal.
अगं बाय, मेरा इंटरव्यू नहीं लिया, अब इस सीजन 3 में आके सारा स्पॉटलाइट छीनूंगी.